Today I'm going to show you one of the most exciting and upcoming neighborhood in the heart of Alpharetta, Georgia, called Toll Brothers at Lakeview. And this is the exact same neighborhood that everyone is talking about because of its proximity to the three major hotspots, which is downtown Alpharetta, the Avalon, and the Halcyon. You can practically walk from this location to the Avalon. And these are the exact same areas where I'm helping my clients get in early and watch their property values skyrocket. So if you want to live or invest where the smart money is headed, make sure you watch this till the end, and let's get after this tour right now. Get ready to fall in love with Toll Brothers at Lakeview, which is Alpharetta's hottest new luxury townhome community. It's tucked away inside the vibrant Lakeview mixed-use development, which will have offices, retail shops, restaurants, so you're just steps away from shopping, dining, and the Alpha Loop Trail. And if you're not familiar with the Alpha Loop, it is Alpharetta's version of its own beltline, linking Avalon, downtown Alpharetta, and all the parks with trails for walking, biking, and exploring. These stunning 4-story townhomes comes with rooftop terraces, private elevators, and 2-car garages, designed for how you live today. You can personalize each and every inch of this home at the Toll Brothers Design Studio, or move right into one of their move-in ready homes that are currently available. With Avalon, downtown Alpharetta, and Georgia 400 just around the corner, this is the lifestyle upgrade you've been waiting for. The home I'm excited to show you today is the Chastain Floor plan by Toll Brothers, which comes in a 3-bedroom or 4-bedroom with 4 levels of living space, 4.5 bathrooms, 3,500 square feet or more, and has an elevator and a rooftop terrace on the back side. And this is a model, so it's packed with upgrades, which I'm excited to share with you today. So let's start this tour coming up right now. As we walk in here on this level, we have the flex space that we talked about. This is Patrice, who's one of the on-site agents. Say hi, Patrice. Now this space, you can completely close in and make a 4th bedroom in here. You also have the attached bathroom on this level. With a standing shower, standard, you will have a tub and shower combo. Little over 3,500 square feet in this model, tons of space. Now we talked about an elevator in this home, which is right down here. This will take you to all floors. You also have a mudroom, and that door takes you to the 2-car garage. I also wanted to give you a second look at the entrance foyer of this home, which is nice and wide. You have 5.5-inch oak hardwood floors that are engineered. Amount of natural light that comes through here, it is phenomenal. Now this will be the floor that you will walk in from your garage and go upstairs. Nice to have a window here, and this nicely opens up to the main floor. I love how wide this townhome is. You have living room on one end, and you have a nice dining space on the other end. The heartbeat of every home is going to be
a beautiful kitchen, and this one is simply amazing. It features this big island that easily fits four. You have pendant lighting on top. You also have quartz countertops, double oven, stainless steel appliances, the custom cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling, and you also have a herringbone style backsplash that ties everything perfectly. You have a nice one big sink, and also have the microwave drawer underneath since you have a double oven option. One of the features I always look for is going to be the exhaust that pushes everything outside. This one has that, which is a standard. And I also love the 6-burner stove. This is an upgrade that you can select at the design studio. Now you have several different cabinet choices, the cabinet colors you can pick from, and the hardware as well. Next to the kitchen is also, I want to point out, that's your elevator that takes you to all levels. Then you have your butler's pantry, which is right over here, with the cabinets that matches the kitchen, and your walk-in pantry. Now this one has been upgraded with wooden shelves, but standard you will see the wire racks, which you can select this option and upgrade your kitchen pantry. Now here's my favorite part, is your spacious living room. Lots of natural light. You have those sliding glass doors. Those are an upgrade. And you also have these built-ins. The fireplace is your focal point in this room. Here's a second view of your living space. The sliding glass doors allows you to open the doors all the way, enjoy that fresh air, entertain inside and outside. When you have friends or family come over, lots of space here. You can put a dining table outside as well and have some sitting area. This nicely overlooks your backyard. Now it will depend on what your backyard looks like based on the lot you choose. You have your coat closet and your half bathroom tucked into this corner right over here. On the opposite end, past the kitchen, you also have your beautiful grand dining space. Nice big table. This is where all your gatherings will happen. Lots of natural light coming through these windows. And that mirror on the wall makes the space look even larger than it appears. Just so we're on the same page, there is no bedroom on this level. You have a bedroom, possible bedroom, when you entered into the home, this flex space, which could be converted into a bedroom as well. And then you will have 2 bedrooms on the next level that we go up. I love how many windows there are in this home. Now this is the third level. You have your primary suite on one end, and you also have one additional bedroom on the opposite end. Kind of like a roommate floor plan, not right next to each other. And this is a very good size bedroom as well. King size bed. You have plenty of room for end tables on each side. I love the light fixtures they have picked. You have 10-foot ceilings on every level, makes a big difference. You also have plenty of space here as well. Now each bedroom has their own ensuite bathroom. I like the tile selection they have selected. Plus you have so many choices to pick from as well. I believe this bedroom is as big as the primary suite. So you're kind of having two primary suites. You have a walk-in closet. Your elevator will be right over here. You have your laundry room right next to it. The cabinets up are an upgrade. You will typically have wire racks. The hexagon tile they have selected. This is your primary suite. Now, I do want to talk about the beams in the ceiling. This is something everybody loves, and this is not an option that Toll Brothers offer. This is just to show you the potential of the space that you can do after close. Amount of windows, it bathes the space in natural light. I love the ensuite bathroom. For the primary, very stylish. You have dual vanities, lots of counter space, and this mega shower with a rainfall shower head. Plus you also have this large tub for those who love tubs. A nice big bathroom in the primary bath. I like the tile selection, just dark tiles with white grout, and you have this walk-in closet. Now they have added the custom closet system. Traditionally, in a base price, you will only get the wire racks. You can add this at the design studio and select California closets or other options. One of the things I love about Toll Brothers is the design selection they offer you when you go under contract and you go to the design studio. You can completely customize your home and make it unique compared to all other townhomes in the neighborhood. Now, I can't wait to show you the fourth level in this townhome, which has an open rooftop terrace, and it will blow your mind. It is simply amazing. So make sure you stick around and let's check this out. Next up is the fourth level of this home, which has the rooftop terrace. And they have done an incredible job on designing this terrace level. Let's go upstairs. This is a nice loft area. All of those cabinets have been added as an upgrade, but you can completely select this at the design studio. A nice living space on the top level. And you also have your bedroom on this level. Now, for context, you can fit a king size bed and have a little smaller end tables. Can be done. Your walk-in closet right here. A very good size bed. You have enough room for a king size bed or a queen size bed, and your dresser. Now on the very top level you have 9-foot ceilings. Bathroom right next to it with a standing shower. Your standard is going to be tub and shower combo, but you can select to make it a standing shower instead. You have an elevator door right over there. You have a closet right over there. Now, looking at this door, I do want to point out that you can select to have a sliding glass door that you saw downstairs on the main level that can be added over here as well as an option. Now, they have selected to have the dining table upstairs, which you can also use, but you have plenty of space on this terrace, rooftop terrace, adding more sitting area. You can have a TV outside, watch a game. Now, depending on the lot you pick, you can also have some privacy or a great view.
Now, homes like these do not stay under the radar for long. Hence, I'm helping my clients get in early before the rest of the market catches on. And if you like to do the same, make sure to call or text at the number on the screen, or you can scan the QR code and schedule a call on my calendar for a time that is more convenient for you. You will also find that link in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that button. And if townhome isn't your jam, you like single family homes, then make sure to watch this next video, which will show you all the opportunities that are available in Forsyth County, and I'll see you there.